Good morning, sir. So here's my report. As recently as the 1970s, there were more than 30 voyage systems in use around the world. This caused confusion and accidents, and it was after two fatal incidents in the Dover Straits in 1971 that the Ayala International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities was established. There followed a worldwide effort to develop a safe, unified maritime voyage systems that could be followed by all vessels at sea. This resulted in the Ayala Maritime Voyage System, and by 1980, there were just two systems in use, Ayala A and Ayala B. Although there is not as yet one unified system for the whole world. This was a major achievement nonetheless, and the differences between Ayala A and Ayala B are only minor. Ayala chose the two systems in order to keep the number of changes to existing systems to a minimum and to avoid major conflict. Ayala Region A is used by countries in Africa, most of Asia, Australia, Europe, and India, while Ayala Region B is used by countries in North, Central, and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. The difference lateral marks. The difference between the two systems is the color and light characteristics used for lateral marks as follows. Ayala Region A port lateral marks and lights are colored red. Ayala A starboard lateral marks and lights are colored green, while Ayala Region B port lateral marks and lights are colored green. Ayala B starboard lateral marks and lights are colored red. Cardinal marks are used in maritime navigation to indicate the location of potential hazards and the safe navigable water. There are four types of cardinal marks: north, south, east, and west. Each type is named according to the cardinal direction it represents. These marks are designed to be used in conjunction with compass to help sailors determine their position relative to the mark and navigability safety. The cardinal marks are established with distinct top marks and color schemes to indicate the direction of safe water. They are placed in such a way that the top mark points in the direction of the deepest navigable water, and the colors provide further information to the mariner. North cardinal marks have a black and yellow banded top mark and are placed to be north a hazard. South cardinal marks have a single black spear top mark and are placed to the south of a hazard. East and west cardinal marks have two black spears arranged vertically for east and horizontally for west, and are placed to the east and west of hazards respectively. These marks provide crucial information for safe navigation and are important part of the aids to navigation system used in maritime operations.